Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be showing you a number of great and powerful machines that we'll be teaching you about. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe and like the video to see more like it. First up, we have the KSI 12000 from KEMROC, which is used for soil consolidation. Its mixing blade is attached to a hydraulic excavator that penetrates the soil and mills a cement suspension mixture into that until a homogeneous, water-impermeable, and frost-proof soil concrete is formed. Depending on the soil conditions and the desired load-bearing capacity, different cement formulations are used. It is available in two sizes and various sword lengths for 35 to 120 tons of excavator's operating weight. The KSI 12000 drive unit can be fitted with blades for mixing depths of 6, 8, 10, or 12 meters. It can also optionally be upgraded with a rotation module. Next, we have the HRT-25 from MASTENBROEK. It is a self-propelled hard rock trencher with a cutting head offset to the left for operating adjacent to buildings. The trencher unit contains digging chains that excavate the material and form a 650mm wide and 2.5 meter deep trench. These are powered by a low hydrostatic speed, high torque motor. This machine can be controlled via a remote controller, enabling the operator to observe and control the trench effectively. It discharges the material via a rear-mounted conveyor, which minimizes the required working width. The rock picker from HIMAC is up next. It consists of a bucket structure with a bidirectional rotating arm that digs up stones from the ground and puts them in the bucket. It can handle rocks up to 550mm in diameter and has the capacity to deal with workloads of up to 2,350 kilograms. Its shock absorption springs, protective motor housing, and bisalloy fingers reduce the impact and strengthen the rotational reel. The rock picker boasts high tensile solid bar construction and an integrated high torque motor for swift rock picking power. Next, we have the Stump bucket from VIRNIG Attachments, which is made for removing stumps, roots, and rocks from arable land. It's constructed of heavy-gauge steel with tall sides and compact depth, providing leverage to pry under stumps and rocks. It also uses 3 large gussets on each side for added strength and replaceable weld-on teeth. It can be mounted with a skid steer and can also be used for picking rocks and hauling brush and scrap. Some users even use the stump bucket for removing prickly pear cacti. Next we have the SwifterDisk XE18400. It's an 18.4 meter wide disc cultivator made for powerful tractors. It provides an output of 20 hectares per hour, with consumption of 5 liters per hectare at a working depth of 6 centimeters. For the operations of stubble breaking, it can be equipped with serrated or aggressive discs with a diameter of 520 by 5 or 560 by 5 millimeters, providing excellent cutting, mixing with soil, and incorporation of crop residue. Its rear packers compact soil and close the cultivated soil profile to ensure even emergence of weeds and unwanted cereal seeds. It always maintains the same downward pressure on both frames of the disc section. Moreover, you can also attach a drill seating unit with it. Up next we have the MB Crusher Bucket BF120-4. It is a powerful crusher unit with a productivity of more than 50 cubic meters per hour, a capacity of around 1.3 cubic meters, and a total weight of 5 tons. This bucket crusher can be mounted with an excavator weighing over 28 tons. That has the hydraulic capacity to provide 190 to 260 liters per minute. It was developed to meet the specific requirements of crushing in landfills, and in just a few years it has established itself as the leading crusher in the crushing industry. Last but not least, we have the Cultivator from PELLENC. It's a simple but very versatile tool designed for those who love gardening. You can use it for cultivation, soil aeration, or weeding. It is 6 times faster than manual hoeing and is powered by a high-capacity electric motor that starts instantly in all seasons. It comes standard with 5 toothed blade forms that adapt to all types of soil. You can easily change them to switch from one use to another. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these 2 for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.